and a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Alright. What's up, everyone? Today we're back with another video. Today I'm gonna be testing out my GoPro, new one, for the second time, because yesterday or the day before I filmed the whole video in time lapse, and it was crazy though because it was great clips. It was in the rain and I made a lot of sacrifices to make that video, but my GoPro didn't want to make the video, so yeah. So I'm gonna be testing out these new collective gloves. Lit. So yeah, I'm gonna be testing out this GoPro, see how it is, and get some clips at the same time. Look, what's insane about these gloves is you can touch the screen with them, like your phone. Like, this is crazy to me. We're gonna listen to some Playboy Cardi. Wind is pushing me. Wanna see how windy it is? Look at that flagpole. That whole flag is wrapped around it. Ah, quack. No! No! Oh my God, that was scary. Ah! Woo! Control, you feel me? Oh, caught me off guard. Ah! Oh, I almost had it. Whoa! My strip's looking a little gravelly. Let's see what song comes on next. Oh, passion. Woo! First try, baby. Alright, I want to try something. This could be a really good idea. This could be a really bad idea. Either way, we're gonna send it. So, let me just get my breath back. I'm dying. I haven't ate yet. I probably should have done that. I probably would have had some energy. But, I didn't. So, this is what we're working with. Yeah, that's scary. I don't know about this one. Let's try this again. Could do that. Wasn't what I wanted to do though. Ah, I just put my foot down. I don't count that. As soon as I put my foot down, drop the wheel. Don't go any further, it doesn't count. It only makes you better. Put your feet down, you're not learning. Fuck. Whee! To the strip. I'm hungry now. When I go home, I'm gonna make a sandwich, make a bowl of cereal, you know, grab some little bites, some cheese curls, some iced tea, grub out. Oh, I didn't make it. Quack. 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 Dang. You're no fun. Dang. This is my first time wearing gloves for a full ride. That means you guys need to get these gloves. These gloves are great. You need to grab these. Grab yourself a set. Looks a little flooded right there. I'm gonna try to go behind. Okay with it. Whoa. Get y'all control up. Come on now. Fight that wind. I still am married for the denim. Come on now. Don't play with me. Woo! We going, we going. No. Damn it. Alright, not gonna lie. The GoPro died. No, that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So, press the button. It died. I guess I forgot to charge it last night. I thought I did, but I guess not. But, I'll probably order an extra battery too, just for that reason. But, oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. This video was actually pretty fun to make. It just took a while because the wind was pushing me around. It wasn't fun, but you get the point. Go get your collective gloves. These things feel super good, not even gonna lie. These work with your phone too, the little fingerprints. And yeah, shout out to DZ for the pad. You know, the pad's lit and it looks cool. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.